Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Boxy Jeanette, and today's video we are going to cook Chinese fried rice, and our ingredients are diced green and bell peppers, diced cucumber, diced carrots, beans, garlic, onion, minced pork. You can use chicken, eggs, or 1 cup of rice, and spring onion. So in the pan, we're going to blanch our carrots and beans for at least 1 minute. For 1 minute, we're going to rinse it in cold water, drain it and set aside. Then we're going to saute our minced pork. So we're going to add our onion. I prefer to saute the onion first and then garlic. Add the minced pork. We're going to saute it at least 2 minutes or until the minced pork is cooked. I add some white pepper, cumin powder, and after that I add a little bit of light soy sauce instead of salt, so you can also add some salt instead of light soy sauce. And we're going to set aside it. And we're going to add some olive oil. We're going to add our eggs. Now we're going to add our 1 cup of rice. We're going to add our vegetables. And our meat. So we're going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of light soy sauce. I add some white pepper here. Just add if needed. I don't want my chow fan or fried rice to be salty, so I just add some white pepper instead of salt and you're going to add our spring onion, and that's it. Mix it well. So I hope you like our recipe for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.